Hi, my name is Noor van Damme.
And my name is Natalia Zamudio. Today we'll be talking about COVID-19.
As we all know, COVID-19 has been a huge problem for our society. But first, we will explain what COVID-19 really is and what the symptoms of this sickness are. COVID-19 is a global pandemic that we are still facing to this day. The symptoms of this sickness are the following: fever, dry cough, and fatigue. Other less common symptoms are aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of sense of smell or taste, and skin rashes or discoloration of the fingers or toes. Now, some serious symptoms are shortness of breath or feeling of shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, and inability to speak or move.
So, as Noor mentioned, there are serious symptoms, and when you have this, the first thing you should do is go to a hospital or to the doctor. The confirmed cases worldwide today is the following: 4.1 million cases, 1.4 recovered people, and 282,000 deaths. One of the ways to stop the spread of the virus is staying at home, which is something many countries have been doing for a while.
In Mexico, we have been using something called a traffic light or semáforo to show people when they can go out and with which preventative measures. The traffic light is according to the space of beds in hospitals. The red light means that there is an occupation greater than 65% or 2 weeks of increase in cases. The activities that will be reincorporated are the following: essential activities, closed public spaces, vulnerable people cannot go out, and there will be no face-to-face classes. Yellow means there is less than 65% occupancy and 2 weeks of declining cases. The activities to be rejoined will be the following: non-essential activities, public spaces with little capacity, and vulnerable people may go out.
Yellow means there is less than 50% occupancy and 2 weeks of cases down. The activity that will be reincorporated in this color are the following: non-essential activities and public activities. The vulnerable sector will be reduced care. And the last one is green, which means occupation less than 50% and 1 month with low and stable occupation. In this color, the activities that will be reincorporated are the following: the classes will be presential, the country will return to normality, and while maintaining public health measures.
We have been staying in quarantine since March 23rd, 2020, but this has not been easy for anyone, especially not for the economy worldwide. This virus has had a huge influence on the economy all over the world.
There has been an economic crisis all over the world. Pierre-Oliver Gourinchas said that the flattening the epidemiological curve caused the economic recession to be more pronounced. Social distancing and quarantines will have a long-term effect on the world's economy, which will be accentuated due to the degree of globalization and economy integration.
We are living in a period that will be remembered historically, not only because of the number of people who are affected health-wise by this virus, but also because of the economic effect that it has had on our society.
In Mexico, we have had bad consequences thanks to the virus. Due to the increase of COVID-19 cases, the Mexican peso has devaluated more than 30%. At the end of February, the dollar closed at 19.64 pesos. And on March 3rd, 23, it was at 25.68 pesos. Since more people are not working in both Mexico and the United States, the pressure of the exchange rate will increase due to 6 factors, which are the collapse of the tourism sector, the expected decrease in remittance, the decline in exports, the collapse in the price of oil, the appreciation of the dollar, and the role of expectations.
We also know the international community has stressed the importance of preventing companies from going bankrupt due to less demand of their goods or the inability to produce these goods due to the disruption in the production chain. For this reason, countries like the United States and Germany have approved loan guarantees and increased the spending of up to 20% of GDP, which are fiscal policies in action.
Based on the information both Noor and me have given, we can see that the COVID-19 has had a huge impact on the economy, not only in Mexico but also in many other countries. So we have designed some solutions for this economic crisis.
One of our solutions is the following. To lower the crisis, all companies, small or large, as well as people in the informal sector, must be supported. The informal economy or irregular economy is the economic activity that is invisible to the state for reasons of tax evasion or administrative controls, but it employs more than 60% of the world's active population. The decision to postpone the payment of bank loans for 4 months is a very good idea. Companies can also be given that same time to pay taxes, and Social Security and loans should be granted to them on favorable terms.
We believe that a solution that will work in the face of the global pandemic would be the governments to act. Regional governments must implement policies to promote local economies in order for families to still have an income. Despite the health crisis, promoting a psychological calm atmosphere in the face of chaos and social isolation is essential.
We all know that one of the biggest problems today is the unemployment worldwide. There are people that need the money to bring food to their homes, and when their source of income is gone, they turn to violence because they have no other option. This problem will cause a lot of insecurity in many countries. We have to make sure that people continue to receive an income because this will reduce the violence. We must design a preventive solution with which the creation of unemployment insurance will be used to facilitate the payment of payrolls. Only like this will regional economies be stimulated while the emergency and post-emergency still last.
These are some solutions we came up with for this economic crisis that governments and society worldwide should consider.
We hope our COVID-19 crash course was helpful for you and you have a better understanding of what we are going through today.
Thanks for watching. Remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We have many other crash courses of topics you might be interested in.
Also, remember to hit the notification bell and you will be notified each time we upload a video of a different topic. See you next time.